we will discuss about the cross product or vector product. Earlier I have told you in previous lecture that when two vectors are multiplied, sometimes it is a scalar quantity, sometimes the result is a vector quantity. If result is a vector quantity, two vectors are multiplied, that is called vector product. So see here, if two vector is there, A and B, we have multiplied and result is a vector quantity. So this is represented by cross. That's why it is also known as cross product. For example, एक हम दे सकते हैं कि if we are multiplied by force and perpendicular distance vector, then torque is a vector quantity. ऐसे बहुत सारे आप एग्जांपल्स देंगे. ठीक है, फोर्स ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, वहाँ पर भी आप देखेंगे व्हेन ए चार्ज पार्टिकल एंटर इनसाइड द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एफ इज इक्वल टू क्यू वी क्रॉस बी. तो वहाँ पर भी आप देखेंगे फोर्स वेक्टर, वेलोसिटी वेक्टर एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज आल्सो वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स आपको मिलेंगे किसके, वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट आर क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. Actually, it is denoted by cross. That's why its name also we are taking as cross product. So see here, what is vector product? Vector product is defined as product of magnitude and sign of the smaller angle. Suppose this is vector A, this is vector B. Angle, smaller angle between A and B is theta. So vector product is defined as product of magnitude of the two vectors and the sign of angle and one n cap we are taking that will show the direction of A cross B. N cap is unit vector whose direction is, n cap is unit vector which is perpendicular to both vector A and B, or you can say n cap is direction of unit vector or direction of A cross B which is perpendicular to plane containing vector A and B. N cap is unit vector perpendicular to plane contained A and B. क्लियर हम कह सकते हैं कि वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट इज डिफाइंड एज, इफ यू आर यू वांट टू टेक द वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर, it is defined as the product of magnitude of two vector and the sign of smaller angle, and one unit vector is there. That unit vector, direction of unit vector is perpendicular to plane containing A and B. This unit vector direction we can give by the right hand screw rule. What is right hand screw rule? If we rotate screw from first vector to second vector through smaller angle, the direction in which nip of screw advances, that will be the direction of n cap, or you can say direction of A cross B. See here, suppose A is one vector, B is another vector. If you are rotating a screw from A to B, the direction in which screw advance, that will be the direction of n cap, or you can say direction of A cross B. So this will be the direction of A cross B. इसको मैं और भी एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. सपोज करो this is one vector A, this is another vector B. If I rotate the screw through smaller angle from first to second, so in which nib of screw will advances, that will be the direction of n cap or direction of A cross B. ठीक है, तो एक चीज यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखो, right hand screw rule. If the screw rotated in a direction from A to B through a smaller angle, then the direction in which tip of screw advances is the direction of R, any direction of A cross B which is perpendicular to A cross B. Here R I have taken as what? A cross B. see the characteristic. What are the characteristic? In dot product we have seen characteristic A dot B is equal to B dot A. They will follow the commutative law, but here not, they are not following not commutative law. Mean A cross B is not equal to B cross A. डॉट प्रोडक्ट की तरीके से यहाँ पर नहीं है. यहाँ A cross B is not equal to B cross A, because if A cross B has direction, magnitude is same but direction is opposite. That's why you can write it like that, A cross B is equal to minus B cross A, because direction becomes opposite. They are opposite vector. That's why A cross B is not equal to B cross A, while A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. Second one is distributive law. Distributive law. This will be the same as A cross B plus C. The cross product is also distribution on addition. That is equal to A cross B plus A cross C. If you are taking here negative, A cross B minus C, that is equal to A cross B minus A cross B, A cross C. Cross product also distributed same like as dot product. They are distributed over addition or over subtraction. See, some more characteristic we will see. Third characteristic, if A and B are parallel, if two vectors are parallel, A parallel to vector B, then what happen? A cross B is equal to what? A B sine 0 or 180. If parallel is there, n cap, that is null vector. If two vectors are parallel to each other, then cross product will be null vector. Same thing, A cross A, if vectors are multiplied by self itself, then they will be parallel vector, then also this will be null vector. If you will apply the same thing for unit vectors I cap, j cap, like that, so I cross I, j cross j, k cross k, so all are null vector or zero vector. Fourth, if A is perpendicular to B, perpendicular to vector B, then A cross B is what? A B sine 90 n cap. That time this vector is A cross B. When A and B perpendicular, so this vector has magnitude product of vector and direction is perpendicular to both A and B. So this is useful for I and J also. If you see, this is unit vector I along x-axis, along y-axis, along z-axis. If you are rotating I cross J, if you will take I cross J, if you are rotating, this is I, this is J, if you are rotating, so this will along K. So this n cap will be magnitude of I, magnitude of J, n cap. N cap will be the direction of K. Magnitude of I, unit vector magnitude is 1, 1. तो I cross J is equal to किसके आएगा बेटा? K. बहुत ध्यान से देखना. X axis, Y axis, Z axis. If you are rotating I cross J, then this will belongs to vector K. Vector K mean unit vector K. So I cross J is equal to K, because n cap perpendicular to the both right hand screw rule. If you are applying, so this n cap belongs to K. So I cross J is equal to K. So this can be write down like that. If I, J, K, I have taken as anti-clockwise. So I cross J, we can make a formula I cross j is equal to k, j cross k is equal to what? I, and k cross I, k cross I is equal to c. This we can make a simplest formula. I cross I, j cross j, k cross k is null vector. I cross j, we can make a rule, I cross j is equal to k, j cross k is equal to I, k cross I is equal to j. E cross b is equal to minus b cross a, I have told you. So j cross I, this is reverse order, so that will become minus k. So if you go clockwise, j cross I minus k. Same way, if you'll see here, k cross j. So k cross j is equal to minus I, and I cross k is equal to what? Minus j. So remember these things. Okay, we will go for the rectangular component. If you take the rectangular components, vector A is given as rectangular component form ax I cap, ay j cap, az k cap. Vector B, bx I cap, by j cap, and bz k cap. So what will be the cross product? Cross product is given by, we can apply here matrix rule, determinant I, j, k, ax, ay, az, bx, by, bz. As we know, what is the determinant? I, ay. This is easy to remember. Actually, this will be the formula. Ay, bz minus by, az minus j, ax, bz, az, bx, and k, that is ax, by minus ay, bx. Actually, it is easy to remember in this form. That's why we have written this form. How it have comes? If you want to prove it, अगर हम इसे प्रूफ करना चाहें तो हम कैसे प्रूफ करेंगे? See here, A cross B. This is ax I cap, ay j cap, az k cap cross bx I cap, by j cap, bz k cap. Apply distribution law. This ax I cap will distributed ax, bx, I cross I, ax, by, I cross j, ax, bz, that is I cross k, plus ay, bx, j cross I, ay, by, ay, by, j cross j. I am writing others here. Ay, bz, ay, bz, j cross k. Here this distribution law, az, bx, that is k cross I, az, by, k cross j, and last az, bz, k cross k. See here, I told you I cross I, j cross j, k cross k, that is 0, null vector. Ax, by, I cross j, that is k. Ax, bz, I cross k, that is minus j, ay, bx, j cross I, j cross I minus k ay bx. Here j cross j, this is null vector ay bz. j cross k, this is j cross k I az bx k cross I. So this is k cross I j az by k cross j. If we'll see k cross j, that is minus I. We are collecting I, one vector, collecting I. So what happened? I, if you'll see here, ay bz, ay bz minus az by. We are collecting j. This is j. This is also j. If minus j I have taken common. Here what happened? Ax bz minus, because this plus becomes negative, az bx. Last k, this is the k. K you have taken. This is ax by minus ay bx. The same formula I have given here. In determinant form, this can be written as ijk ax ay az bx by. This is the Cartesian form, rectangular component form of cross product.